you have seen just now were the brilliant fashion shows displayed during the China France Week held in Paris in late September last year. Over 30 pieces of China chic down jackets were debuted on the shows, still in the spotlight. These down jackets were actually designed and produced in Gongqingcheng, East China's Jiangxi province.
在羽绒服设计上，我们会采用刺绣、盘扣这些元素，结合现代时尚的设计理念，来展现出一个独特的中国风韵味。
Taking the ride of China chic, the present down jacket blend Chinese traditional elements into modern design concepts. Gongqingcheng's down jacket have showcased the world made in China design concepts and the quality of the dresses.
今年下半年我们继续受邀参加中法时装周重返巴黎，届时我们会用融入更多的中国传统文化元素，尤其是以景德镇青花瓷为代表的江西元素融入设计，把中国陶瓷文化和古典图案通过 3D 打印形式展示给世界。